spotted si Vibery yan sa SM City Fairview for meet and greet ng Dr. Wong. Bilang ambassador ng Dr. Wong. Ayan si Vibery. Ayan dyan sa may Watson. So, store ng Watson.
When it comes to like
Dyan yung mga pants
the
mo.
product that you put on your face. Oh, very meticulous. Like, I would say 10 talaga. Yung mga complicated na skincare routine. So, even during the busy days, talagang the ambassador Vibery, the face of Dr. Wong. So again, guys, expert skincare simplified of
Punta. Yung mga pants ni Vibery. May book picture with Vibery. For Dr. Wong. Yan sa Watson. Ang bilang dumaming tao sa Watson. Yung bihira magkaroon ng artista dyan. Isa na si Vibery na nandyan yan, no? Swerte ng mga fans niya. Yung meet and greet. Yan, dami pa picture kay Vibery. Yan, kanya-kanya silang selfie. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Sweet Charting Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.